this is what we get from the hurricane. It is Sunday at about 12:30 in the afternoon. The wind is blowing so hard on our trees over here that it's hitting our roof. I hope none of those fall or smashes my car. It's not even raining, but like every 15 minutes or so you hear fire trucks taking off, so I assume people are losing a lot of trees. We have a bunch of big trees. There it goes. My God, it sounds like a tornado. So you can't really say this is storm chasing because it's not really a storm. Put that tree down there. Woo! Hey, but my chimes sound pretty.